Welcome to the Nature Survival Garden STEM Project 2012. Our mission is to increase youth involvement in environmental stewardship of their schools, home, community, and engage underserved youth in STEM curricula and pursue STEM careers. Thomas Stone is a suburban high school of 400 students located in Waldorf, Charles County, Maryland. The school sits on about 53 acres of land. Here we have aerial views of our campus from the Charles County Government Department of Planning, Growth, and Management. Here we see the Maryland counties. Charles County is located in the blue. This is the diagram of the Thomas Stone High School property line. 27% of the campus consists of impervious surfaces to include buildings, parking lots, and paved athletic surfaces, which make up for a total of 14.3 acres where water cannot naturally infiltrate. By reducing the amount of impervious surface, will help to improve water quality in the Chesapeake Bay and the Zakiya Swamp water. In green, 16% of the campus is covered with the mature temperate deciduous forest, which equals to about 8.6 acres of a canopy cover. In yellow, you will see all of the athletic fields of the campus. Let's start our tour with the Nature Survival Demonstration Garden. Next, we will visit the Science Garden. In 2011, we had our grand opening of our Nature Survival People's Garden, where we built handicap accessible raised beds, salad tables, and more. Outside of the science classrooms, we have a stream and some wetlands. Take a look. The spring emerges up between the field hockey and the football fields in the back of the school, going towards the school and turns towards the right and forms a small creek. We come around to the front of the school on the right hand side, and here we have a dry creek / riparian buffer. Sometimes the area is dry as you see here, but this is what it looks like after it rains. Next to the riparian buffer, we have an area we think is perfect for a farmer's market. The brick building coming up also belongs to the school, but it has been condemned. Wouldn't it be nice to see it restored as a cafe or a live-in residence or even a store for nature's revival? Our Memorial Garden honors our dear students and faculty whose lives were short-lived. You will be forever remembered. As you drive in the main entrance of Thomaston High School, you will see on the right there is plenty of space to grow berries, fruits, and vegetables, possibly an orchard or an ornamental garden. Next to the tennis courts, you will see a semi-pervious site perfect for an outdoor performance space to possibly include a greenhouse or orchard. Next to the performance space, we start our forest trails. Let's take a walk. The trails lead up to a perfect area to have a meadow restoration or a rain garden. Here in green, you see all the possibility for Nature's Revival outdoor learning areas among our campus here at Thomaston High School. Here in light green, we show the wooded buffer zone outside the perimeter of the Thomaston campus. Thank you for visiting our Nature's Revival Garden STEM project at Thomaston High School.